Okay. All right, so I just kind of put them on there just so you'd see them all compared. All right. So, Huishe ama hun kainche leshen galin egen desk. So he went out. Hun kainche, kainche is to speak. Hun kainche is to speaking, and it's the genitive of the word kainche. Okay, Bob there. So towards speaking. I don't say this form as often, but hun kainche would be for the reason of speaking. Okay, so hun is used a lot for what your intention of, you're going out to do something. In this case, hun kainche. Talk is lauer, and so towards talking would be hun lauer. Those are the two I've seen most often actually in this construction. Talking. Hun lauer. So lauer is talking, just talking. Hun lauer is for in order to talk. Okay. But so Huishe ma hun kainchele, he went out to speak with her. Huishe ma hun lauer hale, he went out to talk with her. Okay. So in the sentence, the main sentence, lesh and galin with the girl. Okay. Egen desk, at the desk. Okay. All right. So
that's desk.
Yeah.
Desk.
Desk. Yes. All right. And then sentence 3. Ta anjefer oram adur chile. So I'm in a great hurry. There's great hurry on me. Ta anjefer oram adurche, said he, lay to her. Okay. I think you guys are supposed to be reading these, so let's start. So let's start number 1 and we'll read through them. So Taresh uran chlig. Vishachter. Fos. Ribe saskunya. Okay. So Taresh uran chlig. Vishachter fos ribe saskunya. Huishe amach hun kainche leshen galin egen desk. Ta anjefer oram adur chile. Okay. So now we're cut up. So number 4. Vishtalat iri dochter misha eligenis jachanish. So would you mind asking the doctor to let me in now? Good expression to know. Vishtalat is would you mind? Okay. Vishtalat. So shorter example, sentence A. So would you mind doing this? Vishtalat a sho ayenov. So would you mind this to do? And the way you say, no, I wouldn't mind, is near vishta. Near vishta. I wouldn't mind. So it's very much like the would you mind and no, I wouldn't mind, which means I'll do it, okay? Near vishta. Okay? Vishta. So vishtalat, iri is to ask someone to do something, okay? And when you iri, you do it on them. Okay, you iri okay? So sentence C is an example. Ask him to come here. Chachten sho. So ask on him to come here. Chachten sho. Okay? So Vishtalat iri, would you mind asking dochter, the doctor, Misha eligenis jachanish, me to let in now. Okay? Now the word iri also has another use in sentence D, and you say tame egiri, which means I am asking. This means also I want. So tame iri dolamach means I want to go out. Okay, it's not really a polite expression. It's kind of like you expect a kid to say that tame giri. Okay, and you can use it kind of informally, but you wouldn't use it in a more formal situation. Okay, so tame iri dolamach is I want to go out. Literally, I'm asking to go out.
What's the formal one?
Well, you can say Bawalium or Hawem.
The other way is this: I'm going out.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Tamik iri dolamach means I want to go out, just like Bawalium dolamach, but it's it would be kind of rude to use in a lot of situations. So you have to kind of be careful when you use it and when not. Okay? Alright, so main sentence. So Vistalat iri dochter. Vistalat iri dochter.
Vistalat iri dochter.
Misha aliganis jachanish.
Misha aliganis jachanish.
Okay? So middle it in now. Number 5. Stanan kalin le divas. So stared the girl on him with disdain. Okay?
How do you say the last one?
Divas. Yeah. There's several prefixes that you can put on a word to make them negative. So D is one of them. Kind of like mass is respect. So one thing when you sign off a letter, you can say le mass respectfully. Yeah. So you can say, for example, le mass, or misha le mass, respectfully, or I respectfully misha le mass. And then you put your name. Okay.
Oh wait, Michelle Mouse.
Yeah.
How does mission fit into that?
You can sign off a letter either way. Misha.
Yours truly.
Yeah, respectfully. Le mass or misha le mass, and then you put your name. Okay. All right. Number 6. Fekken and dochter gij ocher zijn orde dagen shedestjach. So fekken is sees, and dochter the doctor. A gij ocher. The word ocher by itself is a patient. A gij ocher, his portion of patience, or his patience. How if it was a girl doctor, how would you say she sees her patients?
A could.
A gij ocher. A gij ocher. Okay. So san ord in the order, a dagen shiad that they come ischach in. Okay. So
Over is always patience.
ocher.
Patience, clients.
Yeah, patient, not a client. Yeah. Okay. So let's read through that. So fekken and dochter, a gij ocher, san ord a dagen shiad ischach. Okay. Number 7. Near Honig de Geall-Cuid. So didn't come your turn yet. Shall is a turn. Shall also just means like, it means it's literally like a space of time. Okay.
Was that Halsa?
The Geall-Cuid, your turn. So if you're playing the game and you want to say Geall-Cuid nish, it's my turn now. Okay, or the Geall-Cuid nish, your turn now. Okay. There's an expression, proverb in Irish. So, Yil Ishal na Usul, so there isn't low or lordly. He shall, I guess who shall, but down for a while and up for a while. So, Yil Ishal na Usul. So there isn't, Ishal is low, lowly. Usul is like you address someone as in Usul is sir. So Usul is lordly or
Noble, right?
noble, yeah. So it isn't low or noble, but hius is down, shall for a while. I guess huis is up, shall for a while. Okay?
What's that? That no, that means
Nor,
nor.
nor. Okay? So shall is a space of time. Okay? That also means a turn. Okay? Number 8. Haran kolam nota koiga euro amach asabalit agus hin shechiki a. So hold out kolam a note of 50 pounds. Amach asabalit. Out of his wallet. Okay? Agus hin she and handed he chiki to her a. So how would you say he handed it to me?
Inche who may.
Hinche hogam a. Hinche hogam a. Okay, how would you ask, did he hand it to you?
Hugum is to me?
Hugum, yeah.
Yeah. Hug it.
Hug it, yeah.
Hug it. Hug it.
So, Heen She Hugame. So, Hugum is to me. Okay? And how would you say, did he hand it to you?
Erhin she
Or-
hug it. Erhin she.
Or Heen She Huget A. So, did he, or Heen She Huget to you?
Stretch.
A.
Did
Yeah,
you stretch it?
literally means hand. I mean, literally it's stretch, but it means hand. So did he hand it to you? So if you want to ask someone, hand me the salt. You know how to say that?